Topic is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Let's take an example that 7 upon 10 into 5 upon 7. Two fractions we have taken. Now how to solve it? That we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Now if there is any cutting, you can do that 5 ones are 5 twos are 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now you have to multiply the remaining digit left in the numerator and denominator. 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 1 is 2. So this is the answer. Okay. Now one more example, 24 upon 25 into 15 into 16. Now again the method is same, only that you have to multiply numerator by numerator and write down denominator into denominator. Now you can do the cutting. 5 table you can use 5 threes are 5 fives are. Okay, then 4 fours are 4 sixes are. Now then again 2s are 3s are. Okay, now no cutting is left. Now you have to multiply. Here in the numerator 3 into 3 is left, and in the denominator 5 into 2 is left. Now multiply. 3 threes are 9, 5 twos are 10. Next example is mixed fraction multiply by mixed fraction. So first step for that you have to change it into improper fraction. So what we have to do, we have to multiply 6 into 5. 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 33 upon 6 plus 11 twos are 22. 22 plus 2 is 24 upon 11. This is multiplication. So now we have to do the same method, 33 into 24 and 6 into 11. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator multiply. Now if there is cutting, then you can do that cutting. That 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 11 ones are 11 threes are. Now we multiply the remaining digit in numerator and denominator. Numerator multiply by numerator only and denominator multiply by denominator only. So you can write this answer as 12 also, because 1 is in the denominator part. One more example, that 10 whole 7 upon 8 into 2 whole 1 upon 24. Now again the same method we are using here, that you have to multiply 8 tens are 80, 87 upon 8 into 24 into 2 after plus with 1, that is 49 upon 24. Now if there is cutting, then you can do, otherwise remaining digit you have to multiply. Now here cutting is there, then we can do it, that 3 8s are and 3 29s are. After that no cutting is there, then what we have to do, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. When we have multiplied 29 into 49, we got 1421. So 1421 upon 8 8 ja 64. 64. Now you can write this in the mixed fraction, because it is an improper fraction. Whenever there is an improper fraction, you have to convert that into mixed fraction. On division, this way you have to do the division. Do, that is 64. 64 twos are 128, and after subtraction what is left, 1 14, and 1 will come down again with the 2 table, 128 subtracted, then here 13 is left. Now you, this quotient remainder, and then the divisor will come. So our answer will come 22 whole 13 upon 64 is the answer. That is quotient, remainder upon divisor. Means we move from the quotient and come to 13 and then to the divisor. Topic is division of a fraction. How to divide two fractions, that we have to study here. Let's take an example. 42 divided by 5 upon 14. This is a whole number divided by a fraction. So first of all, we have to change this as a fraction. When nothing is down, write 1 down, 5 upon 14. Now the next step, the most important step, is that how to change 42 upon 1. This division sign, when change into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of the this term. After that, if there is a cutting, you can do. If not, the method is same, that numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. We have to multiply 42 14 because there is no cutting. Numerator cut by denominator, denominator cut by numerator. This is the method. Numerator will not cut by numerator and denominator will not cut by the denominator. So this is the formula. When we have multiplied these two numbers, we got 588 by 5. Now this is the improper fraction. Improper fraction we have to change into mixed fraction. The method, you know, we have to divide by 5 ones are 5, 8, 5 ones are 5, 3 will come, this next number will come down, 8, 5, 7s are 35. So this way you have to solve. Now after that, you know that quotient, remainder and the divisor. The formula will come, our answer will come, that 117 whole 3 upon 5 is the answer. The next part, second, 2 whole 1 upon 5 divided by 11 upon 2. Now the mixed fraction divided by the fraction. So first step, to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 divided by 11 upon 2. Now we have to 11 upon 5 as it is we have to write, and this division change into multiplication, and we will take the reciprocal of this, that comes to you 2 upon 11. Now we have to do the cutting. 11 ones are 11. Now what is left? 1 into 2 and 5 into 1. So our answer will come 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5 is a proper fraction. We will not change into mixed fraction. One more example. 4 whole 3 upon 8 divided by 3 whole 3 upon 4 means mixed fraction divided by the mixed fraction. So we have to start with the solution. First we have to multiply 4 8s are or 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35 upon 8 divided by again 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 upon 4. Next step, to change the division sign into multiplication, we have to take the reciprocal of the next fraction, means numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. Now 30, we have to write 35 into 4 upon 8 into 15. If there is a cutting, that we have to do. If not, then multiply. 4 ones are 4 twos are 5 threes are 5 sevens are. Now left digits, you have to multiply these numbers 2 into 3. So what is the answer? 7 upon 6. So 7 upon 6 is a improper fraction. You can change it into mixed fraction by division. Formula is that quotient, remainder upon divisor.